Have you ever wondered what true sexual satisfaction looks like? Are you ready to unlock the power of pleasure and create deeper connections with your partner? Introducing our interactive educational class, Understanding What Sexual Satisfaction Looks Like. Discover how to connect emotionally and physically, explore your desires, and experience intimacy in its most fulfilling form. Unlock the power of pleasure. Dive deep into understanding what pleasure truly means for you and your relationships. Transform your intimate experiences into moments of joy, connection, and ultimate satisfaction. Break free from routines, reignite passion, and explore exciting practical ways to keep this spark alive. This 1.5-hour interactive session is designed for everyone, including the LGBTQ community and those with diverse sexual desires. Don't settle for the ordinary, discover the extraordinary. Take the first step to revolutionize your sex life and unlock deeper levels of intimacy and joy. Unlock the power of pleasure and achieve ultimate satisfaction. This is your time to connect, explore, and transform. Don't miss out on future sessions and exciting opportunities. Follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram for updates, tips, and more ways to unlock the power of pleasure. Don't forget that although this is a free course, spaces are limited, so check out the website to register for it.